In today's video, I'll show you how to farm the Polymarket Airdrop step by step. I'll walk you through everything from creating your account to placing your first trade. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and type Polymarket, then open the official website. You don't need to verify your identity to start trading. Also, you're not betting against the house. You're trading shares with other users in a peer-to-peer market. And here's the big thing. You don't have to wait until the event resolves to make money. You can buy and sell shares as the odds change, just like trading stocks or crypto. We'll get into exactly how that works in just a bit. Let's get you set up on Polymarket. This is going to take less than 2 minutes. First, you can sign up using your Google account or by using an email address. You'll also see the option to connect a wallet. Polymarket is a decentralized platform, so you'll need a Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask, OKX Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, or Wallet Connect. For this tutorial, sign up using Google. After that, you'll be redirected to the Polymarket dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you need to deposit funds. On the top right, click on Deposit. Polymarket runs on the Polygon network and uses USDC as the main currency. You have multiple options here. You can transfer crypto from another wallet, deposit with a card, connect in exchange, or use PayPal where available. If you already have crypto, select your token and choose the correct network. Make sure the network matches the one you're sending from to avoid losing funds. Copy the wallet address and send your funds. Deposits usually arrive within a few minutes. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy USDC using a card. Enter the amount, choose your payment provider, and complete the steps. Once your deposit is complete, you'll see your balance at the top of the screen. Now you're ready to start trading. Before placing a trade, it's important to understand how Polymarket works. You're not buying fixed odds. Instead, you're buying yes or no shares for a specific outcome. Each share is priced between $0 and 1 cent and $1. And that price represents the market's probability. For example, if yes shares are trading at $0.06, that means the market thinks there's roughly a 6% chance of that outcome happening. If you buy yes shares at that price, and the event resolves as yes, each share becomes worth $1. Let's break this down with an example. If you spend $100 on yes shares at $0.06, and the outcome happens, you would make a significant profit. On the other hand, no shares usually offer lower risk but lower rewards. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to wait until the event resolves. If the odds change and the share price increases, you can sell your shares early and lock in profit. This means you're trading market sentiment, not just the final result. Because Polymarket is peer-to-peer, you're trading against other users. Always check the order book before placing large trades. Low liquidity markets can have large spreads, which can affect your entry and exit prices. Now, let's place a trade. Choose a market, review the odds, check the chart and order book, then decide whether you want to buy yes or no. Enter the amount, review your position, and confirm the transaction through your wallet. Once the trade is complete, you can view your position in your profile. From there, you can track your shares, entry price, and current profit or loss. If you want to exit, simply sell your shares, and your funds will return to your account. And that's it. This is how Polymarket works and how you can get started step by step. By staying active on the platform and understanding how trades work, you now know how users interact with Polymarket. And that's one way to do it without a VPN, which works fine. But if you want a faster, safer, and more reliable option, using a trusted VPN like NordVPN makes everything easier. Just install it, connect to a server, and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with a money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. Check out the link in the description if you want to try it.